I'm working on the designs that are going to be framed and put up in Essence room. So I've made some black and white designs for the wall. Black and white is pretty gothic when you make posters or maybe images and designs out of it. So that's what I'm hoping for. Since it's pretty guyish, it's a guy's room, so it will look really nice if we do some black and white designs. I'm here at the Kapra market today and I'm looking for cloth for making the bed sheets and the lamps as well. So let's hope I find what I'm looking for. बेड शीट्स दिखाइए मुझे एक ब्लैक एंड वाइट में दिखाइए. This is it. We're going to take some of this for the cushions and for the lamp as well. And I think I'm going to use this pattern on the wall itself. I'm going to paint the pattern like this on the wall. Considering it's my first show, I will play it safe, but I'll make sure it turns out good and I'm happy with it at the end. And Essence room, I don't really know how he wants it to be, but I'm sure what I want. It will be classy, it will be minimalistic, but at the end of the day, it will be my style only. सही है, आप फिर ये मुझे दे दें, कर्टन के लिए और बेडशीट के लिए. Something that we got made to put on a tube light. The light that we have in this room, this will fit like this on top of the wall. So we got the holes done. The holes were made so that they will give a spotlight effect. So this is what we are left with. We are going to paint it white to make it stand out on the black wall. यहाँ मैं लकड़ी छील रही हूँ because I need to make a few lamps for the room. So this is how we go about it. I'm taking measurements so I would know कि lamp का size क्या होगा. Now I'm peeling the wood. The wood that I peeled, I'm using it to make this lamp. This is where the holder will come, and this is the lamp that I've made. Okay, this is the holder of the lamp that we were making, and then I will just put a bulb in it. So that the lamp will light on and the wiring will go from under it. We're going to paint this wall white, and since we're planning on a classic black and white theme, 3 of the walls are going to be white. My signature style is wall art, and that's what I'll be focusing on while designing Essence room. And his walls needed more paint, so that's what we're going to do. Windows इसकी इतनी ख़राब है, अब इसके ऊपर पेंट करने के साथ साथ we will need a curtain, so it will hide the window that we have over here. I'm pretty confident about how far I will go in this competition, and as far as my competitors go, I don't really know them, but I'm pretty sure I'll go far. As you can see, I'm painting on this wall now. Wall art has always been my passion. I've been into painting since my A-levels, and I'm making these black patterns on the wall. Without even using a pencil, I'm just painting it on the wall itself. So we're going to make these borders all around here and the other wall as well. So that's what we're going to do for now. I think this is my ticket to the top of this competition, because this is my strength, this is what I love doing. Painting has always been my passion. all black. This one wall that we have selected opposite the bed, we're going to paint it black. This is almost done. We're done with this. Now I'm making this lamp that I'm covering with a paper. So this is how it goes. This was a skeleton that I made, and now it will be covered on 3 sides with this paper. So, and this will go on the wall where there's a bulb. The wall was looking empty, so we thought we should add this. Lamp finished हो गया हमारा. Now I'm going to go put this lamp in its place.